Here's how to make a voicemail on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you haven't set up your voicemail yet, I'm going to show you how to set it up and make the greeting, all of that stuff. So what we're going to do is tap on your phone at the bottom left here, and you can see I'm in my phone app. You can see favorites, recents, contacts, keypad, and at the bottom right is voicemail. So let's tap on voicemail. Now that we're in here, if you've never set it up before, you might see call voicemail right there. You're just going to have to call, and basically it'll ask you to set up a password and to set up that voicemail. So after we've done that, we can make the greeting just by tapping on greeting at the top left. It gives you a few different options. One is you can choose a default if you want to switch over to default. This basically just says, hi, in a robot voice, hi, you've reached such and such number, leave a message, blah. So you can do that, or if you wanted to make your own custom voicemail, you can tap on custom here, and you have a couple different options. You can hit record, and now this will record your voice, leaving that voicemail for them. Basically, you can hit stop and play whenever you're ready. And then if you're ready with that, if you've recorded a few times and you like it, you can just hit save at the top right, and that will save your new voicemail greeting. Now, after you go through that process, anybody that calls you will be able to hear that voicemail greeting, and then they'll be able to leave a voicemail. It'll show up directly on here. And in the newer iPhone, iOS 17, it allows you to see exactly what the text is. So you don't need to necessarily listen to it. You can just read exactly what message they've left you. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave me in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.